Yo.
Hey, there he is. What's up, buddy?
What's happening?
Nothing much. Seeing if we get something here for some news this morning.
Yeah, CPI news this morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
CPI. If we actually get something.
CPI.
So got some new glasses yesterday. I didn't realize how blind I was.
Oh, God.
It's like, whoo, I can see. That's what these charts look like.
Okay, so now you'll stop saying that the stochastics are overbought when they're oversold.
Right, exactly. Now it's all gonna. Maybe now I can actually.
It all
speak
makes sense
correctly.
now.
It all makes sense now. Oh.
Rusty's saying hi with us.
Rusty, good morning.
What's happening?
I think it's just three of us anyway right now. It
Yeah,
is
there's
just
only
three
three
of
of
us.
us in this room.
Nobody's awake.
Just the three of us. We'll see. If not, we'll come
Where do I
back at
see
9.
Rusty? Where do I see the list of people again? How do I pull that up?
The
Top
what?
left where it says 2 normal dudes.
List of people in this room or the list of people total?
No, in this room.
Oh, right here, just on the left there, under live stream. There's just shows dude 1, dude 2.
Oh, okay. But if I want everybody, I go to 2 normal dudes.
Well, if you want to know who, yeah, then server settings, and then once you go to server settings, go to roles, and then you can see like how many, like we have 19 paid members right now.
Where?
And if you
looky there.
and if
That's
you go to
okay.
edit,
Server settings
or
and
no,
roles?
not edit. Yep, roles. And it'll show paid members.
Yep.
If you click on paid members anywhere and then go to manage members, that's all the paid members we have. Just be careful, don't hit the X.
I'm not touching anything.
Anybody hit
I'm
the
not
X more than
touching
they
it.
become
Unverified.
unpaid members. So
we can look at these 19, make sure they're right.
yes,
Who's Wampus?
yeah, you guys should always be in here making sure that they're right. Now,
Okay.
when you
I don't see the list of
I don't see the list either. Where? Oh, permissions.
Oh, there we
Manage-
go. Anthony.
Oh, manage members. There it is.
manage members all the way to the right.
Sway, Junior Wall,
Turk,
Be Nice,
Nick,
32, Peter.
Hunter,
So
Gray.
my question is if
Counter,
does the
Counter,
system, does the bot that we have, if they do not pay, do they get automatically?
I believe
removed?
so. Right, Brian?
Yes. Upgrade chat does automatically. If they don't pay, it's on the billing cycle. So if they miss a billing cycle, then it kicks them out that day.
Okay.
So it's like it's supposed to. Let me say it's supposed to. Now, if you know anything about upgrade chat, we can get in later today and go look at how it's set up. But again, obviously I had the AI set it up, and it's worked for a couple people, getting them in and activated as a paid member. Now, with the changes to the server, I don't know. We might want to double check that.
Yeah.
We could.
We're not going to really know that until
Somebody does pay.
Yeah.
Right. It's hard to test, right? That's one of them things where we need to.
Maybe
However, you want to do it. Well, it's one of them things that we need to upgrade chat. I need to get into the logs, or somebody needs to get into the logs, put it on a calendar for the first 30 days, and then go. Whether you do it, Brian, or give me access.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's done right, but we can double check.
Yeah, we'll double check.
All right, what time is it? 8:23, 7 minutes. Let's look around, take a peek, see where we're at around things. Never could hit that 27 on the ES that I wanted to see it.
No, never did get there, did it?
Never did break out of that daily box here on the NQ.
Got close though, didn't it?
It did. It's trying to. I mean, I think we'll see what happens on the CPI here, but we'll probably watch the NQ if it stays. I mean, obviously, I think the pivot is really our kind of like big major deciding factor this morning. Above that, we still got to be buyers. Obviously, we're just doing whatever the tick chart says, but there should be a bias. I think we still have toward the long side. I would think. RTY, I'm getting a little scared of that on the longs because it just it's starting to fail at this level. Looks like a new level for it, so I'm gonna just put that there as a little marker. But same with it, pivot across the board, and then the CL here. I think we got some good opportunity in the CL. Look at that. It broke that level I was talking about the other day. This level. And then it broke this level last night. Or I mean yesterday afternoon.
Getting a sell signal now, actually.
Well, I think I want to be a big time buyer on CL.
Let it come down.
Yeah. I'll skip on this and let it get down here to like 60.23.
What do you got, 500 tick? Yeah, 500 tick.
500 tick right now. I go back and forth between 7 and 5.
Yeah, let it come down to around that VWAP and 89. Yeah, that'd be.
Is that right around the same area? 60.25?
Yeah, they're right around
See
the same
how
area.
I don't need VWAP? I can just look at it on the chart and say that's where I want it to be.
So, yeah, 60.
That's
29. Yeah, it's close enough.
Look at me. I don't need VWAP. I can look at a chart.
I don't need no stinking VWAP.
Reversion to the mean. Half of it's below, half of it's above. That's the middle. VWAP. Done.
Hence the word, right?
Right. Watch. Here, let's do gold. Where's VWAP on gold? Somewhere around 98.8.
97.8.
See? Oh, man. Whole point. Close enough, though, right?
Yeah, but I don't have to think about it. I just see it.
I like using my brain.
I
think tries to help me sometimes. I like using my brain.
All right. Let's
get
some
ready
news.
Let's get ready.
It doesn't look very excited right now.
No.
Doesn't seem like there's any
I'm gonna be ready
to
do. I'm ready to do NQ. If it moves decent, I'm gonna try to. I got an account that I may try to pass here on the NQ eval. I got my actual money accounts tied to CL. I mean RT Euro. Although it looks like at 7 o'clock is when we should have sold that. And Euro, CL, and RTY have actual money accounts tied to, but I'm not going to trade those unless I see something perfect. Or 6E is always really easy. So gold's here in a nice little level that I made. Yesterday. I might trade that if we get something to move. If it moves it, I don't know if the gold's gonna move that much on the news, but we'll see. And if not, We're gonna take a break till 9. How about that?
Yeah. See what happens. Let you know in 2 minutes.
It's the hardest part. You know, I should probably turn on and off the streams a couple times throughout the day, the stream part. That way it alerts people multiple times. I should probably do that, shouldn't
I guess, right?
I? Yeti trades? I should probably do that, right? Every time we go, instead of putting break up, just turn off the stream and restart it.
It wouldn't hurt. Just
Restart it every time we take a break instead of putting break up.
We can do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there's a couple things too that I can work with you on OBS.
Okay. Well, let's plan on having that discussion later this afternoon then.
Yeah. Hey, did you set the delay for YouTube?
I'm having a hard time hearing.
Oh yeah, we gotta fix that.
Fix what?
Delay on
YouTube.
YouTube.
I just did it as soon as I thought about it. As soon as I started talking about the stream, I just went over and fixed it.
All right, here we go.
I put it down to 15 seconds. So let's see.
Which makes it about 30.
I would think something like that. We'll test that later.
30 seconds. See what happens.
All right, let's see if it does something.
Down, but up, down.
An up.
Ooh, there we go. Oh, there's up.
Where's my pullback? There's just an up. Well, there was one target. Got that one.
Well, I wasn't quick enough. It's been so long since I've done it.
There's an easy little $615.
I'm out of practice.
That's the account that I had on this RTY, and I didn't have time to switch it. Look at that. Boom. $650 right there. Boom. I had my smaller tick chart on I couldn't see the pushback on the bigger tick chart. That's the one thing about trading the news is I got this little pullback here and I got in it there and I should have tried to stay in it. I was looking at the small chart. Should try to stay in that puppy too. Switch this to the account that I want to trade it on. Now I don't have an entry. I gotta wait.
No, I was gonna say it's too late to get in this now.
No.
I didn't get it. It's been so long since I've had real news. I'm out of practice. I wasn't fast enough.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy. $615.
I didn't find it as easy. I hesitated. You hesitate a split second.
You can't take it. You cannot take it if you hesitate on a split second. As soon as I saw that wick start to form on that red candle, I was like, boom, in. All right. So now we just wait for the second wave to come back down. Again, I think we probably need to use the smaller tick chart with this being up like this.
Yeah, I'm looking at the small tick chart.
We need to make sure this doesn't do that whole chop back down to the bottom thing and get.
I was just about to say, are they going to retrace this like they do?
Excuse me. I think it's changed. I don't think so. I think this might be a slow bleed up, and we try to figure out how to get into this on the long side.
Got nowhere I can tell. I can find how to go though. Let's see. Where does it go to?
The moon. We broke line 27 already on the ES. The NQ, you probably just need to find a place to get into. I mean, like buy stop maybe.
I'm just afraid they're going to do this retrace crap.
All-time highs? I don't know, man. I do not know.
Maybe a breakout here.
That's what I'm saying, possibly. Because did we break out of that daily yet? Just ticked out of that daily range on the NQ, and you're over 26,000. We kept talking about that, so we did say we were buyers above 26,000. Love to see it get a little pullback though. Love to see that, some kind of pullback. I mean, it's setting up for a short. I mean, you'd want to see a pullback. It just blew past my 27, didn't it?
Yeah, I didn't even stop to say hi.
Oh, there was a little wiggle on the bigger tick, on the smaller tick chart, 27. A little wiggle, 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 woo, wiggle, wiggle, wee.
Well, let's see what happens.
Car Badger. You remember? You don't. There's a YouTube thing. Look up the Car Badger. It's hilarious.
I am short the ES.
Good. That was a short signal.
Yeah. I just see if they retrace this thing. See if they do what they've been doing.
Let's see if I get a better signal here.
Yep, here it comes.
Nothing on CL yet. Nothing on GC, but that breakout. That breakout would probably been okay on GC, but that wasn't great. Nothing on 6E now. Below this ledge on 6E and below the pivot, we might have an opportunity on that one. I think I'd be willing to put a sell stop into that one.
Below. Why do I not have my pivot on here? That's weird.
That seems to kind of make sense, man. Daily's down, down, down. I think that might make sense. Let's keep our eye on that.
In a buy signal now? Pull back?
I think I would try this. I'm gonna give it a try.
ES or both?
Both. Both of them.
Both of them?
Both of them.
Let's try it.
Yeah, I think that should be a decent little buy there. Should be. Again, I mean, you look at this NQ, it stays above 26,000. I said I should be buyers. I said we talked about this quite a bit. We should be buyers above 26,000. So target off. Trying to get a target on the ES right now. Let me see if I can get got my target on the ES here. I'm just gonna come back and try to get my stop. I'm trying to get my alright, flat on the ES. I'm gonna be flat on the NQ. Never mind. Little tiny trade.
Yeah.
Itty bitty trade.
Scalp.
Itty bitty. Yeah, I gotta sell this 6E here, bud. I got to. I have to sell that 6E. I'm in it. I got in. I missed my sell stop, and it's trying to drive below the pivot now. Well, there's your bigger M forming on the smaller tick chart. Definitely a big sell signal up here on the NQ. Okay, I don't know if I can pull myself to do these sell signals though, Paul. There are definitely sell signals there. You can probably get some ticks out of it if you wanted it.
You know how it is, right? Will they retrace the move? I don't know. It looks like
I mean, you'd have to have a sell stop
signal
right there.
But it's a big stop.
I know. Yes or no? That would. Oi. I don't know. RTY gave the sell signal again. Can't trade CL yet. It's got to move. It's got to swing a little bit.
RTY's got to sell.
GC setting up a tiny little sell signal now. Can't do that. I think I'd rather have the.
I'm gonna try the short on the ES.
I did it.
Yeah.
I got the target. It might take my stop, but I got a target at
Yeah,
least.
I think if you leave your stop up away, I think you're going to get a retrace. They've done it
I'd rather
every
take the
single
long,
time.
but you're right. They
But
typically retrace it.
you can't ignore what's happened, right? It's every
Yeah,
single time.
history repeats itself. I felt safer on that than the NQ. That's why I didn't put the NQ in. Got a target on 6E. Did you get in with me?
I didn't get a target. I got in. I haven't got a target. It doesn't
Oh,
look
you're
promising right
gonna
now.
get it.
Come
You're
on,
gonna
bust
get it.
through there.
You're gonna get it. Here comes it. Take a target here in a second. That way you get that look.
I'm not in profit right now.
I tell you what, if NQ and ES stays down, that gold short starts looking a little bit more enticing, doesn't it?
Where's my gold? There's the gold.
Where do I target here on the ES?
Gold is almost short now.
I gotta do. Hold on a second. What time? This was. Damn. What a short.
Told you.
60 ES.
Does not. I mean, you can almost. I mean, it's here. It comes. They're gonna retrace the entire move again. Again. I mean, you can't ignore the.
That has happened.
For not just once, every single time for quite a while now.
That it actually happens. Why doesn't it tell me how far I am into this? I need something to tell me how far I am into. Alright, this target's not going to get hit. I'm not going to let that happen. Especially if they're going to retrace the entire move. I got to put this in my notes. What? I can't. Why doesn't it tell me how far I'm into the stream so I can make a note? So it's like 8.
Just
37.
Just note the time right now.
Yeah, then I have to go back in the stream and figure out how long into it it was. Oh, I bet if I go to the actual... There we go, never mind. Duh. It shows me in the top right hand corner. 19 minutes. Whoa, come on, 6E, baby.
6E ain't doing
now
nothing for me.
You're getting a lower time frame long off the NQ and ES, or lower tick chart long off the NQ ES. Is that something that we should be looking at, because we are still not quite above 20
short? I think this fails. I'm gonna hold for the retrace.
The entire thing.
I just think it will. I mean, it's done it every single time. I'm not gonna. I could be wrong, but I'm in a short, nicely profitable. I'm gonna hang on.
You and me both.
I'm gonna hang on, but I'm not gonna give.
I'm gonna try to do a stop at.
Like right now, your
I'm gonna
stop
do 27
should be,
even.
Yeah, I'm a little bit early.
I'm
in
tight.
much sooner. I'm in sooner than you are, so I got a little bit more room, I think.
I gotta leave it 26. 27 is the best.
Yeah, I mean that's the actual stop.
27 is the right stop. There's that.
Must be out. Yeah, but
you
are getting along though. You are getting along. Maybe go along on the NQ. Can we hedge it?
I don't know. I don't like it. I tried it. I'm gonna take a $150 bite on that one. Oh, I'll get flat on my 6E.
Bless you.
What?
Oh, she sneezed. I was
What'd you?
gonna say, bless you.
I didn't sneeze.
No, she sneezed. Renee sneezed.
Oh.
That was the first decent news we've had in a while. Nice to see it move again.
I know. I'm trying to. I don't think I want that on that account until that. I'm not gonna trade that one again until this afternoon. So let's get everything off that account. And that one. Definitely don't want that on GC. I'll leave that on GC. Still trying to make that long signal, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm tempted to go on NQ.
Let's see. What is this?
I think I already just. I'll see what happens here in this little ledge it's sitting on. If this
Just
ES
trying to.
fails here,
I'm actually just trying to manage my accounts because I got one that's got a little red in it. But it's not bad. I got in a trade ill advised there on that NQ and close it out with that little red.
come on. Get me out of this 6E so I don't give any of this money back. Come on down here. Swamp.
Now you have a better stop on the ES here.
Yep, right above.
Which is
But you're
my
about to
stop,
get it soon.
25, 75.
25, 50, or 75.
25, 75.
Yep. If it breaks down through here, we can lower that. So,
If it breaks this, we're going all the way back to the bottom.
We're going to retrace it. I'm telling you, it's going to retrace
it. Bottom. If it doesn't break this,
I hope everybody got this. This is plenty. This is
now money. You can look at a buy stop. I need to send you a message.
Never fails. Look, here's your little. Here's the test. If it breaks through here, you're getting a retrace. You're getting a complete. Oh, sorry. Habit.
I don't know.
Habit. Do something for a long time with you.
Right.
Come on, break this little ledge here.
So if it doesn't, the stop on the ES.
Now, if it doesn't, I would be.
The stop on the ES is the buy, and then if it doesn't, the buy on the NQ is 375, which would be above 26,000. I mean, I would be comfortable with that if this makes a double bottom here. It doesn't look like that's going to be the case.
No.
And I all of a sudden wish I was short on that NQ with the ES.
I thought it was quiet. I don't have my tick strike on.
Golly, kind of want to get back in that 6E, man.
Back in it? I still not even at break even.
What?
I'm just now getting
I told you to take it below the pivot.
I'm in it. I'm in it short. See what happens.
Oh, you're gonna make money on it. You didn't put a sell stop in a tick below the pivot like I did?
No, I got in when you talked about it, so I was a little later than you were.
Oh.
Here we go. Booyah, booyah,
Holy
booyah.
crap.
Look at that. I told you. I hate when I'm right.
Do you? Really? It kind of makes you want to sell the NQ below this little shelf here too now, doesn't it?
Yeah, maybe take just a little rundown with it. Come on, get me out of this freaking.
Kind of makes you want to do that.
Off. Give me one target.
I put this. I need to put this in here somewhere. I'm officially going to be done with 2 accounts, 3, 4, 5 accounts already this morning. All hovering around that 500. I'm officially all above $500 profit. And then I gotta get that one out of the hole, and then I got a few more to trade. It's a good morning, Tater. It's a good morning, Tater. All right,
does not suck.
Does
not suck.
If you're a member, and we're not in a trade yet, we're not looking for a trade. Although that CL short, GC short's getting really kind of tempting there. Very tempting on the GC short. You guys catching any of this stuff? And it's inside. Oh, I just realized that. And it's an inside day. We may have topped out there on the GC. Oof. A little late to the party, but that's a pretty decent sell signal that formed up there. I'll put this on 700. I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly what I got on the ball for. You guys get any of this stuff?
Did you just send me a text? Oh, I'm just in my little ES short and making all the money. I'm fine. I don't care.
I'm happy with that ES short. I'm really happy with it. Like,
I think the new news trade is let it get as high as it's going to get, and then catch the retrade.
Sell it. Sell a bit. RTY. I saw that set up as a short. I thought about getting that one, and I just didn't pull the trigger on it. Still thinking about this this GC, Paul.
A little late to the party. I mean, you'd have to be in now, right?
It ticked exactly to yesterday's high and fell from it. No, not yesterday's high. Sorry, I hadn't made it there. I don't know. Obviously, you kind of want to think the longs on that, but that's no longer a perfect setup anymore either. Alright, we need a little bit of a better stop here, I guess. I don't know where to, let me see.
Hey, I got my target off on.
Huh?
I got my target off on
6E.
Oh. Oh wait. That's a screw up.
What?
My 6E chart is on CL. I'm trading CL. Oh, yeah. That is a screw
Well,
up.
you made more money. You shorted the CL?
Yes, I am definitely fine. I'm not losing. I kept wondering why this wasn't looking. I wasn't going to say anything because I just got through telling me I got new glasses. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh,
now we kind of need to use a little bit different stop here. I'm going to hit the bottom of this wick right here. Tick behind that. 23, 25. And where the hell should we target this thing? This is a nice trade.
Yep. I mean, you'll get down to you're going to get at least to the retrace to wherever it took off. Well, already did.
That's that's where my target's at right now, where we came from.
Yeah. A one and done morning right there, people. Woo.
You want to? Let's use the bottom of this. Let's use this little candle here. The high of that candle is
what is that? 15.
19. That's 1975, so 20 even, I guess.
20. Yeah, 20.
I mean, and if it breaks this Globex stuff, I guess we're on a run back to the downside. That'd be crazy. I mean, I guess that news was just the point that it wanted to get us all to. I don't know. This is yeah, any lower, we're really looking short here. I mean, especially below this Globex stuff, we gotta be thinking short. And you're right, they retraced the whole damn move.
Without fail.
I really did consider getting in under that shelf on the NQ. That would have been an easy play.
Yeah, they'll scalp.
RTY was a miss on my part this morning. Look at you in that CL Butte.
I know, right? Accidentally take a CL trade that worked.
That's a beauty.
That's weird. I wonder how that got changed. Oh, the little color boxes. That's what it is.
Oh, you have it tied to something?
Yeah, I changed it on another chart. It was colored. It was tied to it. That's what it is.
All right.
Well, note to self: check. Make sure you're on the right market.
This is one last spot they might end up having a bounce from. For anybody thinking long, you're on the 89s on the big tick charts. And I would look for the GC to get down to this level that broke out of earlier for a buy signal for me. I did like that level, and I told you that first thing this morning too. And then forgot to swivel my head back over there. Man, that CL is going to work out really well for you.
Yeah, I got lucky.
And it's coming down to the spot I want to buy it from too. So I'm everybody's gonna be happy with this one. You're gonna flip it right back around and buy it down here at 60.22. Yeah, wherever, somewhere around 60.20 to
14,
25.
somewhere in that area.
Yeah, somewhere.
Actually, come down all the way to 14, actually, but
that's fine. I'd be okay with that. I'd be right at the pivot. I mean R1, sorry. Right at, it's at least a pivot level. I could handle that for a long. And again, smaller tick chart says this is long on the ES and NQ.
It is a long.
Bigger tick chart says this is set up for a long on the ES here. It sure is. And again, same as before, the stop is the entry if you want the long. Do I want to try for that long? And it's still above prior all-time highs. That's a little bit of confluence, huh? I mean, technically the move was up on the news. You'd have to have a 20 buy stop, yeah, I think. I'm gonna wait for the GC long, CL long, RTY long. I'm gonna get all those longs. I'm gonna wait for them. Going to wait for them. We get a couple candles here sitting in one spot. Same little thing here. Little W. I might be worth trying on the long side there off the 89.
Where at on the
ES and NQ? No, there's my sneeze.
Well, let's see here.
A little Polaroid picture of my little Gracie here on my desk now. I'm gonna do it on the NQ.
I'm gonna go long.
I'm gonna put a buy stop in, yeah.
What are you at? 69 and a
like 70-ish.
quarter?
Like 70. And then the ES you'd have to again be in at 20. So do I want to try on the ES or the NQ? Do I want to try it? I mean, this is long territory. GC's oversold now. CL's oversold. Getting close to where I want it to be. RTY's oversold. I don't know where to buy the RTY from because of that, but it's saying it's got a buy signal happening now. This one, I want these both the CL and GC to be a little bit lower before I take a shot on that. Not quite as clean as I think it should be. And if that ES stays up on that new candle, that would be a long signal.
You're long right now.
I'd have to stay again. I think that's got to break through 20.
Yeah, you almost want to take it a little higher.
To get me, it'd have to. Yeah, I think it just have to break. It's got to break through 20 for me to be like soupy comfy. Soupy comfy.
To be soupy comfy.
Soupy comfy. Trying to do it, isn't it? It's trying. It's trying to do it. Somebody's there trying to make it happen. Somebody trying to make it happen. Not quite there yet. 2 wicks on the NQ. All these wicks on the bottom here on the ES. There's definitely some buyers there. There's somebody doing something, that's for sure. For price to stall like that, we're flat on that one. The GC gave the long, but then it, boop, right back down in your face just now. Like, no, I don't want it.
This is a store. This is not
something I'm going to trade.
No. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe. Let's see what happens.
Well, it says that they're supposed to be longs.
I went long in another account.
It was a little. I mean, you should be in at like 20, right?
I got in right at 20.
If you really want to be.
There you go. Come on. I got my target off.
How?
Ooh, I got in at 20.
Oh, mine's at 2025. Dang it.
I got right in at 20.
Every single time. Oh well.
I still think you'll be all right now. It's breaking up now, so.
Yeah. I mean, again, this should be an up market. I mean, it's supposed to be. You should have
got your target off 2025. It just hit 21.25. Oh, you're doing 5 ticks, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Evidently, those were alien Muppets in the show. They weren't really Earth Muppets.
Where's this?
the ones in the show. Yep.
Oh.
They were aliens. That's what it said in the show. They were aliens.
Okay.
Not AT aliens, just aliens. That would be Outcast. I am not. This is just sitting around here too long for me to really get excited about this, and it just one-ticked me. It one-ticked me.
Oh, that literal break even, if it comes back, it takes me, I don't care. Not after that short trade. In fact, if it might be a good time to go get some coffee here. I need to. She's calling me. I'll be right back. In
All right.
fact, you know what? I'm gonna go make some coffee for the open.
Making the coffee.
Yeah, take a small break.
Making the coffee. Whew. 9 o'clock. All right, target off finally. Woof. Jeez. Took me a minute. I gotta get out of this count now too. And this one. And this one. All right. I mean, it does say long on RTY. Just didn't quite get. I mean, you got the long signal on the GC here, but I couldn't convince myself to get into that. We got the long on the news and the shorts off the NQ and ES, or on the ES, and now the long here. Pretty good morning. Can't complain. Cannot complain. Is that maybe they're gonna meander its way all the way back up then, huh? We're in uncharted territory here, so would not offend me at all. Looks like it might want to do that. that. Not offended at all about that. Go ahead, keep on going back up. I'll take it. I will take it. Get on going up there. Crawl back up. $20.50 entry. No wonder I did. I thought it was at 20 entry. I just misclicked on that. Rotating through these accounts. Rotatoring through the accounts. Oh, I want to ask. Paul's going. You guys catch any of these shorts or longs? They were pretty straightforward. All right. All right. Doing good. And if you're on YouTube, come see us. Join our members. Talking. You get to chat in the member chat room about the trades you're taking. Post your trades. You have a voice channel where you can chat with other members that are taking the same trades that you're taking. And obviously, you get the live interaction with myself and dude 2 Paul. So join us for that stuff. That's good stuff. Lots of training in the Discord channel. So come join us at the Discord channel. Something like that. What? Discord, because you get all the interaction on Discord. You don't get anything on YouTube except for a delayed stream. That's it. That I cut from time to time. Obviously, we have all our stuff that happens in the Discord. Yeah, post your trades. You guys got winning trades. There's a channel. It's winning trades. It's called Winning Trades channel. Post your trades in the Winning Trades channel. Let me take a look at them. I'll look at your trades, guys. If you post your trades in the trades channel, I'll look at them. I'll give you feedback. You have a member hangout. You can post trades there. You have in the money. I think you can post trades there.
If you don't mind, I'll step in here a second. So
yeah,
just remember, guys, that the Discord is for you guys. Okay, everybody that's paid members. These rooms I can adjust. We can add rooms. So right now, just so you understand, the start here is for anybody that comes in very first that isn't a paid member. And so in any of those, you're winning trades, you can post your charts in there of a winning trade. If you pass a prop and they send you the certification, post it in there. We'll be updating the prop firm discounts. The general chat is for everybody there. So, and then you move down to in the money. Underneath there is everything for paid members, and they're to be used, guys. You know, post your P&Ls and P&L, post your payouts you want. This is for all of us to celebrate each other and keep each other going and trading as hard as it is. Okay. So trade setups, is if you got a picture, if you want to post a picture of, I'm going to get one of mine today, of your setup, what you're trading on, you know, whether it's a little laptop or you got 15 screens, you know, so in a mobile van, who knows, right? But it's just to celebrate, keep everybody together as a community. And then I have the member area, member hangout. That's for after hours. Get in there, open it up, post stuff, chat, talk. I will be hanging out more in there. Me and Gray were on last night, which is Highland, and we traded in the afternoon. And so I'll just ask right now, Paul, I mean Brian, you don't mind if we share in there, do you? Like screen and trade and just enjoy it. Um, so, yeah, it's for you guys. If you have any problems, hit me up on a direct message. Right click me, message, and I will help resolve any of that. And after that, I'll turn it back to Brian, and good luck trading. Open's about to happen in 15 minutes.
Thanks, Yeti Trades. Yeah, and just so everybody knows, Gray and Yeti Trades are going to be really the moderators here between Paul and I. So just if you got chat here, know that these two guys are going to help you out while we're doing our trading thing. And then if it's something you really need Paul or myself for, you can send the email to otcpep@gmail.com. But most things should be able to be handled here in the Discord. And thank you again. All right, let me move the stop up just a couple ticks on this. ES long here, maybe even behind that wick. That low is 21, so 2075. And yeah, we're coming into the open here in just a little bit. So, oh shoot, I forgot to get water. I'll be right back. Okie dokie. Just sit here. That's a little late, PBR, on the entry. 20. I kept saying 20, 20, 20, 20. 20 was supposed to be the entry, which is what Paul got. I kind of screwed that one up a little bit and put mine in the wrong spot. And don't forget, I think Rusty mentioned it too. Member Hangout. That's for you guys. You guys need to be doing stuff in there. Definitely posting your trades. Post your trades, guys. Post your trades. I will look at them. They won't be during while I'm trading, but if I go on break or something, don't have a lot to do. I will look at the trades.
Did I miss anything?
Yeti Trades came on and made a public service announcement for everybody, tell them what to do and everything, how to do it.
Nice.
Yes, he is the man. Take that now. And
Look at that long workout too, huh?
yeah, I got both sides of it. Got
the way down and the way back up.
I got to tell you though, I also did the NQ.
It's been a good morning.
Resist myself.
It's like, do we even need the trade? Should we call it a day?
I think we're gonna be done after this one, dude.
I think we're done already.
I'm gonna be done after these two guys.
Like, why?
Put this all the way back up here. We'll see. I don't know. I gotta save this account for a different one though. You guys can see it, but I want to switch this and have it ready to go on the other account. Where is it? That account. I gotta have this one ready to go for the open. For the open. Another butte this morning. Another butte. Yeah. Those of you guys that got into the yes trade, we said many times here that the 20 stop that we had, if it got hit, that was your entry. So
it was your wrong, yeah.
And I was still, Paul, you got it at 20, right? I got it at 20, 25.
I got right in it. Yeah, I got in right at 20.
I thought my buy stop was in at 20, and I don't know what the heck. I don't know my stupid brain. I don't know what my stupid brain was looking at there. 2 ticks off on that. Oh well. Look at it. It's doing its job. My buddy Dan was trying to get in.
Oh. You let him in?
Dan F. Dude, I am not upset with this whatsoever. Big tick chart says buy, you buy. Big tick chart says sell, you sell. Don't ask questions. How much time do we have to the open? This thing going to blast off in the open. Dude, I hope the NQ does. I really do. The NQ has room to run. I mean, you got like what up here around 120-ish. Or these highs up here, 120-ish, 120-ish, 120-ish. Yeah, somewhere around 120-ish. Above that, there should be nothing holding this NQ down from running up. That would be absolutely freaking awesome if that happened. Oh, Paul, you let me miss my GC long. Oh no, that was one that was hard to, on the smaller tick chart. That was hard to take. Although the CL long is happening right now. Do I want to do that into the open? I don't think so. I'll pass on that one for now. All the way up.
It's all the way up.
I don't know why anybody on their right mind thought Pittsburgh might win that game yesterday.
That was.
Hell, I wouldn't even think they'd win in my wrong mind.
Yeah.
22, 25, 22
Guess,
stop.
guess Aaron's done, right? Is he going to retire now?
I bet. I would think he would be after that. I think, like,
Probably not a half bad idea.
go out at least on a playoff run. It's sad when he tries to run the ball. When he tries to run the ball because he gets trapped in the pocket, I'm like, oh, you can tell you're 45 now. When he throws the ball, it's still like a laser.
Yeah, he's still got a good arm.
But he sure can't run anymore. He used to. I'll never forget the time they were playing the Falcons at home on the wild card game on their run to the Super Bowl. And I was sitting in the end zone, or the corner of the end zone, when he scored the touchdown running it in and did the championship belt thing around his waist. I was like right in that end zone where he did it too. Took my allergy medicine and now it's making my nose. Oh, I'm glad I looked at this and put that on my NQ. Although that GC was a trade though, it's just damn that was hard to see. If you look at the smaller tick chart, man, that was just that's what do you bought it, you got target off, and you got stopped out. You would not have had this run. It looks easy on the big tick chart, but it's not on the smaller tick chart. Not easy to stay in. Is it? I mean, this maybe just keep on going all the way back up then.
Right, all the way
If
back to the
anybody,
top.
if there's an NQ, if there's somebody, my stop's gonna go up on the NQ to 81.75. I'll run this chart over here too, since I'm not gonna be doing I'm not gonna be doing 6E in this shit. Put it somewhere. Don't think I'm gonna look for that GC short. I needed a cleaner CL long. You got lucky on that CL short, man. That was nice.
Pure luck.
You got about like 2.5 times more profit than you would have gotten if you were in the 6E.
Absolutely, yeah.
Probably about if my mathing's right.
Pure luck.
This is a big bar here. I can't really go tighter on the stop yet. You're still long in the ES, right?
I am.
Look at that. We kind of know what we're doing. I think
Every now and then we get lucky.
every now and then. All we do is win, win, win. Did I do this? I do this right? $50 ES long, yeah. Couple minutes till the open here. Maybe they blast off on the open. There's a little stop back here, maybe. I don't know where. I mean, you could possibly go a little tighter on that, but yeah, it's gonna take me flat. Let's get ready for the open.
Yeah.
We'll run down pre-open here. Let's get these accounts ready for the account I want to trade on the open. Nope, not that one. That guy. All right, are we done for the day?
I mean, pretty nicely green for the day. I'll give you that.
I don't know. I'm not going to touch that account with the CL right now. You know what? I think I'm gonna do. Let's do this. I'm gonna put the NQ. Okay, put the GC on that. I'm gonna put the NQ on the one I'm slightly red on. That's it. That one little account there.
We got 1 minute.
And then I like the accounts that pick those accounts for these for a reason, so we're good to go. A pre-open push down. And another sell signal on GC. I'm just not getting down with them.
Come down. Maybe get another
Buy signal.
buy signal. Like. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
It's definitely a GC sell signal.
I mean, ES is probably. I mean, NQ is setting up.
For what? Short.
Never mind.
Below this low.
Yeah, we're back inside the Globex here.
I'm not touching this thing right now.
It's going down.
We are open for business there, buddy. I don't know what to say. Just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I mean, it's been too good this morning to screw it up in the open, huh?
Yeah, no. Let it calm down and get it. London.
Did you say London?
Is it the London high? I'm just watching this thing come down, this NQ. It's just ticking off these highs, coming back.
Now, RTY's got a nice little shelf for a breakout. I'm still not going to touch anything in the open here.
Long, NQ.
Probably long, yeah.
Yeah, I'm long the NQ. There it goes.
You did?
See ya.
Yeah, I'm not touching it. I'm going to sit right here and keep my monies. You could have told me you were taking the NQ long. Did you say you were going to take it long?
I didn't. I was watching the highs. It was coming back down. It was going to bounce off one of these highs down here. I just looking for the right. It was like instant. I couldn't have called it. I literally had just my finger on the trigger. It was going to bounce.
Okay.
You're probably getting another shot, to be honest with you.
I'm not going to do it. I'm sitting on the sideline.
Okay, well then why should I call it? What does it matter then?
I don't know.
It's like, if you're not going to do it, I'm not going to say
maybe
it.
It could benefit somebody else.
It's about you and I.
I'm not touching it.
It's a long. I mean, NQ's a long. See what it does here. If it breaks this 930, then it'll probably come down to around 905. 905 would be another area you might want to look long on the NQ.
Where it came from?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, I did say that I would look at the long there. That's where it all. That was the scene of the crime.
Yep.
Wait for it to get back to the scene of the crime, then buy it.
I just don't know that you're going to get that. You just get a breakout here and watch it run.
I can tell you one thing: I'm not trading in the middle because I learned one thing.
In the middle, bitches.
It is in the middle, all the way across the indices up here top. You're had that CL long, which worked out nicely. I guess I could have tried that CL. You know what? I am gonna do this.
What, late to the show in the CL?
Oh, I'm gonna let it run up a little bit further, and I'm gonna look for a decent little short on the CL. Even though you should be buying it, there should be a decent short that comes out of it.
Here comes another shot at your
GC.
NQ,
You're
I
gonna
think.
get a long opportunity here on GC here in a minute. If it's super clean, I'll take the GC.
Oh, missed it. Damn it.
But not on that account. I'm gonna do it on this one.
Well, you gotta be.
If it's super clean, I'll take that GC long. I mean, you have that long above this high on NQ.
Yeah, I was just
I'm not
about to say a
touching
break of this is a breakout.
that
It
977.
came right back down and bounced
978.
off that London high again.
Yeah.
So this is
I mean, even the last little push up, if it breaks out that, it's going to the upside. Same on
yeah.
the
I would put
ES.
a buy.
They
I'd put a buy
all. What's that?
above that. I'd put a buy above that. What is that 79 area
You
there
did?
on the NQ? I know I said I would. That's a pretty decent. If it breaks up above that, it's gonna go.
I mean, you definitely got targets if it breaks above that. And the same thing's happening on the ES here. I mean, it's tempting to
Same
do. I
scenario
just
on
don't.
the ES. I like it better on the NQ, I think. But
Am I willing to take a risk on that?
I'm pretty green. I'm going to take a shot at 77, 75.
It does say that it wants to do it, doesn't it?
But you got to have a pretty decent stop. Fair warning on that.
77, 75.
And just do it small.
Oh, I just couldn't pull the trigger on it, man. The ES isn't there yet.
Boom. There it goes. Quick target on that.
You got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Should continue to go now. Maybe I'll try to get the ES on this one. I told myself I was going to do this right now. I'm going to wait for a cleaner swing.
I mean, that was a legitimate trade. I mean,
and it is a legitimate trade.
Yeah.
I just, without the ES making it up yet, now I could probably, I'd be okay with the buy stop on the ES here. If it'd be at like 2250, I think would probably be a better. Where's my highs? Last high was 2250.
There she goes. Come on, break up through that ledge. There you go. Be a good something.
I don't know how much more you're gonna get on the NQ. Maybe you get it all. I'm gonna wish I was in NQ. I'm gonna be sitting here in the ES, right?
Yeah.
Be like, I wish I was
winner.
in NQ.
It's a winner.
But the RTY hasn't filled along yet. I don't like it. I think you might have just had a little. This is not my.
I mean,
it's not my favorite.
I got a target up here. I got a target up here at 99. See if it gets all the way up to.
It's just not my favorite. I don't like the way this is acting. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not doing it. I'm canceling that trade. I'm not gonna do it.
I mean, I wouldn't do the ES or the RTY.
I think you got a little spurt out of it, and that was all you're gonna get on the NQ for right now.
I just ran that momentum up, is what I did.
Yeah, a little momentum trade, and ES may still work out here. It looks like it might want to.
It's not done.
You know.
Oh, ye a little faith. Come on.
And there, I would have been filled there. So let's see. I'm gonna play the.
I would not have done it on the ES. But
well, you would have been filled, and then you should probably be getting targets here in just a second. So nope, no target yet. Actually, no, you would have got a target. It would have ticked exactly into the target. It would have literally probably ticked exactly into the target. And then they won't buy it. It's going to go up.
Yeah, it's a slow creep up. I'm holding that one target with giving it a little bit of room. If it comes back, didn't lose anything.
Yeah, you're in a winning trade there. So, cool.
But we are getting a hook here, so
I'm not. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to be in this. I think I'd probably get out if I were you.
Paid out fairly decent. Yeah, I'm out. I got out.
I'd get out.
As soon as I saw it hook down, I hit the kill button.
I still think the 6E is short here. Still think it's short. It's just the daily.
Let me go look at the 6E.
The daily. Well, I'm just looking around for a trade, and I'm waiting for my CL trade. GC, I wanted a deeper pullback for the long there, so I can't touch that. This below the pivot here is a trade, and the daily is at somewhat of the lower area of the daily range, if you will. But it still says it's a trade. Stocks are in the middle though, so I'll hold off on it. That's just a trade. I know it's a trade. I know it should be a short, and you should be able to get targets. And again, I wouldn't mind buying a deeper pullback on the RTY here. I think my only miss here right now was this CL. Was a CL long. I think that was my only little miss there. Wow, I'm not touching this shit. I want to be long NQ because I said above 26,000. I'll say above. All right, here we go. Above 26,000. Stay there. I'm a buyer. And this is gonna be silly. I'd probably try bull flag on above 26,000, especially above that last little level there. Yes, has got to show me something.
Guess I should have held on to that one, shouldn't I?
I don't think so. That's a lot of crap to deal with.
Yeah, I had to deal with a lot of pain on it.
Oh, it was your bull flag long above 26,000. Yeah, I'm not jiving with this. I'm not gonna do it. I mean, that would have worked though. That little bull flag right there on the 292. Oh my god. Maybe I should have done it.
NQ.
Maybe I should have done
massive winner.
Maybe I should have done that one.
Oh well.
We'll have another chance up here at 45, 26.45. See, targets would have been off on that 6E right now.
Yeah.
Here's your RTY looking long. I do like that now. Off a level. Ticks are moving pretty quick. Now you can possibly look above this next one on the RTY. Possible buy stop here on the RTY.
Yeah.
Pretty low risk trade.
Why does this thing say?
I think it's a trade.
What is going on?
I'm looking over here at the. Oh shoot! I just missed it. It's not gonna let me put my order in, is it? Nope, I missed it.
Yeah, you might get another shot at it.
Oh well. I'm preferring to look for the CL short and kicking myself for not getting into that 6E short there.
Yeah, that 6E short worked.
Now you got maybe a little bit better area that if you, I'd love to see a pullback here on the smaller tick chart for the NQ. Oh, there we go. Maybe get a buy signal, and then you could buy the ES out of there too, probably out of this junk. There's your RTY winning for you.
Yeah, missed that. Missed
Kick
that
myself
one.
on that one. That
Too
was
much
silly.
to look at.
I should have stayed in that one. Should have gotten my order in faster.
Come on down to this.
Crap.
Pull
Can't
back
believe I
in,
missed
Q.
that. Look at that CL. That's crazy.
Gotta redo my charts. I'm too confused. There we go. Boom. Wow.
What is Trump talking right now or something?
Must be. I was gonna say, where'd that come
What's
from?
Trump talking right now? Gotta be.
What's going on? Why can't I get it? Oh shit. Okay, don't hit multiple buy buttons. That's not smart.
Don't do anything right now. I don't think that's smart.
That's true. It is a buy though on NQ. This thing's volatile.
Try to distract myself when shit like that happens. I don't want to be in trading. I need to do something different so I don't press buttons.
Okay.
There's movements out of nowhere like that? Nuh-uh. Okay.
Probably smart.
Now I'm really kicking myself on that CL long that I missed. Yeah. I was looking at that too big time. Dude, that'd be a game over trade. Oh well. Next one. We'll get the next one. Almost. I was so close. So close. So close to putting that buy stop in. I think I talked myself out of it because we were close to the open. Is that what it was? Yeah, that's what it was. Well, what do you want to do now? Take a break?
Probably take a break. I mean, I'm pretty freaking green this morning.
Yeah, I mean, I got this little loser account to trade and couple non-traded accounts. That's about it. That's all I have today left. I mean, everything else is over 500. Well, I got one account that's not over 500, but everything else over 500 green. So I don't have any reason here to really push buttons. Really pushing my buttons. Lower tick chart buy on CL. I'm still not doing that. I'm waiting for big tick chart trades. Like I said that was a buy on GC. It was just hard to get into.
Yeah.
I mean, you'd had to have the buy stop at like 30 something, right?
Yeah. 30.
Yeah, like 30 even, and then
30
I mean, again,
even. Yeah.
it'd still be a $1,500 trade right now, though.
30. Yeah, 30 would have been a little even. Yeah, 30 even. Oh.
Well, you could go to a couple. I'm not splitting hairs on that
Maybe
one.
a few ticks earlier. Would have been a nice trade though.
Yep,
I
sir.
gotta set my chart up, dude. This is not working.
That was 2 this morning. The early morning one when I first got on. That long, this long. That was hard to get into. This one should have gotten in that trade. That's a shoulda coulda woulda thing. I can't touch these indices right now. I gotta get some real direction on them. And I did say below the pivot. You did get a nice little double top on the NQ though.
I'll take a break for a second. I'm pushing the buttons and.
Are you pushing buttons? Stop pushing buttons.
No, I'm not pushing buttons. I'm done. I'm just not gonna be.
Don't be a retail dummy.
Right.
Yeah. All right. What do you want to do? Like a 5-minute break? 10-minute break?
Yeah, let's take like a 5-10 minute break. Just what time is it? 9:48.
There's
Is there news? Did we lose you, Brian?
Oh, I keep accidentally. I'm not used to this new mute button, and I keep putting it in places where I accidentally hit the mute.
Dick in your.
Yeah, it's not real. I mean, it's like new home sales and
Oh.
somebody speaking. So today is Tuesday, right? Yeah. So I don't know. I'm gonna take a break and come back at 10. I don't know. Here, let me look around. Short setting up a GC. Am I shorting GC? Hell no. CL, maybe getting a short. Not gonna take it. I can't trade the indices right now because there's no real direction that they have. They're still kind of in the middle, huh? I'm not trading that. ES kind of came down a little bit lower than there from where it started. There is a buy signal on the ES right now. Do I want to trade that? I don't think so. Not after that. Not after all these candles printed, and then you would have targets off, and it'd be a great little long there. We got all day. I don't see why we've had a good morning. Stick to the plan, take a break, and wait for price action to get a little bit easier to trade, huh?
I'm totally fine with that. I mean,
yeah, let's be back a few minutes before 10, and then see if we get something there. Let's do that.
Yep. 10-minute break. Be back.
All right, I'll see you. Tank train.
Yep. She's going down.
Hey. We missed the news, I think. I guess they didn't like it. We haven't gone below the pivots yet. Yes is about to.
We're both gonna dump here.
Walked away and missed my long on CL. Isn't that great timing? They just do it exactly when you take a break. When you get your long, they know it. They know when I take a break, huh? Like, this guy's too good. We need to trying to convince myself that this is a long setting up here.
Oh no, this might keep dumping below this pivot.
But yeah, below the pivot, it actually becomes a short, huh?
Yeah, I think it comes back up to the pivot. If it holds this pivot, I think you almost got to short it.
I know.
If it holds,
like, how is new home sales? This is not new home sales stuff. This is an agenda being made. This is an area where I would probably want to look for a GC long if it happened perfectly. Never mind. I have an unreasonable amount of lag here. I'm lagging. Not fixed. It finally fixed itself. What was going on there? There's a 24-second lag for a second.
Oh.
It'd be like trading on the YouTube channel. I feel like I'm back up to a big lag again. Well, can't trade this. Not gonna do it. Not gonna trade with this lag. You're not getting it. Now I'm back to normal on lag supposedly.
No, my lag's good.
Well, it keeps freezing for a second, and I just don't like. I feel like I'm gambling if I do something silly with this. It like keeps like freezing, I guess. I don't know. Something like that. This is GC long. Do I pull myself to do it?
It is a long.
Do I pull myself to do it?
It's a GC long. Right now.
I just don't like the price action though. I'm not. And I have the lags issue. It is a long. I mean,
I think this is a long.
You take it. I'm not going to. I want to make sure my systems, my thing's working right before I take another trade.
30.1.
Yeah, you'll get targets probably, most likely. I just want things to give me a little bit more clear picture than I'm getting right now. Too many opposing candles on the indices here, long and short. Again, keep saying need to be short in the 6E. So let's just go through them all. All right. Broke Globex low on the ES. Obviously, sell signals are probably in order at this point. You probably end up getting a decent sell signal coming out of this, but it's above the pivot, sitting right at the pivot. I think this is just a good attempt at trying to take some retail money here, Paul. We've had such a good morning. I'm just being a little hesitant here. That is a sell signal setting up. Do we want to try to look at it? Sitting on top of the pivot there in Q. You'd be selling below this point right here. That low is where's my Why does my data box keep disappearing on me? Data box. I don't know. I'm not sold on it, man. But you need to, if you really wanted it, you go in almost right now. A low of 26. I'm just sitting here thinking that this looks like there's some trickery afoot, and I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to risk capital right now. I'd rather just talk. What do you think?
I mean, I'm in absolutely no rush to trade. If it's something really clean. I was looking at the GC. I kind of like the GC at 31.1. There would have been an entry, but I don't know that that's. Yeah, at this point, that's probably not advisable.
Yeah, I just don't want to do anything stupid here. No, yeah, let's just not do anything stupid. Let's. Is that good or bad?
Not doing things stupid is always good. I don't know. Sometimes doing things stupid is fun. Took GC short and stem. Admit my rules. All right.
Somebody said what?
I was just reading what Yeti Trades was what he posted. Trying to keep myself distracted so I don't push a button.
Oh, I get a phone call I gotta take here.
Go for it. Wasn't short. Let that thing go.
Okay. What time was that trade, Eddie? Took the GC short. There was a short. It did work out. I mean, the short did work out.
About to get targets on that 31.1 entry.
On what?
On the GC. Long.
Oh, nice. Sitting here just not doing anything. I need to start doing something. Do I need to start doing? I don't know if I need to start doing something. There's nice little double tops here on the NQ and ES. Should have probably taken action on one of those.
You might be getting an entry now, right? I don't like the.
That was Oh yeah. No, that was a good. I like the setup on the GC short. I did Yeti trades. I just I'm really in a GC long.
I am GC long at 31.1.
I'm a GC long
I
fan right now.
got target off, and I'm in a free trade, so I'm banking on this thing going up.
It's probably going to.
I'm going to put my stop at 29.1, lock in some profit. And if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, I might be a little tight on that stop, I think.
I mean, the best you can do is what, 30, 31, maybe 31 even.
That's my entry, 31.1.
Yeah, I mean that's about the best stop you could possibly have.
I'm just below that little wick on the. Well, I'm using a 700 tick. What size tick are you using?
Oh, I was looking at the 130. Are you talking about like
500?
28.7?
Yeah,
Ish.
yeah, yeah. 28.7, 29, right there.
29. Yeah. Well, there's your long. I mean, it's going to work out really well for you. You're going to have a big one
I
on this
mean,
one. Did you
yeah,
use micros, though, didn't you?
yeah. I'm 10 micros.
You got 5 going.
I just scared to trade gold big contracts. Just too much risk.
I just wait for the
I don't
perfect
wanna risk.
setup. I literally just wait for the perfect
Yeah.
setup
I
to
just
take
don't want to
only the
risk
perfect setup.
$1,000.
If it's not the
I mean,
perfect setup, I don't take it. That's the second CL long that I've missed that I am not happy about missing. And we do have a double bottom happening on the ES and the NQ. RTY just has huge daily wick on top. Starting to get daily wicks on top. Back into that same area on the NQ. Just came off those all-time highs today. We probably need to be thinking about being sellers. There's nothing that tells me this market really wants to stay up, huh?
I mean, to me, it's a sell. I'm looking. What the? Oh, there you go.
And 6E should have gotten back in that one a while ago. This is a dumpy dumperson. How far is this down to the pivot? Well, I've called trades, winning trades for everybody, and I've taken some. I just couldn't pull the trigger on a couple of these. You should be flat on that GC.
I am. I just hit stop.
RTY again setting up for the long. Big daily wick everywhere. Big daily wick everywhere. I'll take a trade here in a little bit. I got a few trades this morning. I'm not going to get in a rush. This candle doesn't go down on RTY. That turns into a decent buy signal up here. For me, I don't think there's any real news or anything out there that nobody's talking about some silly stuff, are they?
I believe so.
Oh, Trump calls for a 10% cap on credit card interest rates. That's kind of interesting. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I read that the other day. That's pretty cool. He also said something about stopping big.
People are getting the hell out of California too, aren't they? It's about time. I mean, like, what took all these people so long to figure out that they shouldn't be in California?
I mean, good Lord, you talk about a disaster. It's a shame because it's such a beautiful
Beautiful state.
Oh
Vegas,
my lord, it's the
they
best
screwed
state,
that up
best
early.
state in the country.
They,
Gorgeous. Every bit of it, northern, southern, it don't matter. Anywhere you go, it's perfect.
in California, oh, it's a
Yeah.
beautiful state. Yeah. People, some
I
good
grew
people.
up out there. I grew up out there, but boy, I would not live there. No way. Not with that
GC Shore.
messed up mentality.
No, gosh, no, I can't just change the tax laws and everything, and then maybe I'd take a look at it. I want to short something.
It's short. I just don't know where to get in at.
I know.
Breaking the pivot on NQ, maybe. I don't know. I'm just really throwing out things now.
I'm not trying to do a. I'm not trying to do an emotional trade here.
I mean, you've got a lot right here at this pivot. I mean, you could. That's 46. Maybe the Globex low on NQ. That would be an option.
Yeah,
ES has already blown. ES has already blown through everything. Yeah.
I know.
All right, here comes your opportunity for maybe a short. Pull back here a little.
I mean,
on the ES. Which on the small chart?
Yeah, maybe. Trying to figure out what's got this thing pushing down so hard. I can't imagine new home sales changed anything. It's got to be somebody talking or something happened.
Missed it.
Double check the. And they have. There's a actual real long setup actually happening.
Oof. Scared to do the long here.
Yeah, no, not after that's running down the way it is. But I think I'd probably look at so maybe either a sell stop below the low there. That'd be a breakout. Would that be a breakout? It's just it definitely probably give you a target if you broke out below the low there. On the NQs, what I'm looking at. ES. I don't think there's anything holding the ES up once it breaks up. No, there's not really anything holding the ES up once it breaks that low. I think the GC another short coming out of that consolidation, bear flag GC. This is from that zone I had earlier this morning that I wanted to buy out of. If you go below this zone, that's a sell in GC. I think I like the bear flag short.
GC
on everything.
All right, here comes your break of this low on ES. I mean,
let's see if it happens. Yeah, up. There you go. Target's fast. I did it on a different account. I'll get this one over to that in a second. If it continues down, I mean, you'd think it'd continue down. It's gonna take me flat before I can change this account over. Now we gotta find a target. I knew you'd get your targets off on the NQ if you did it. That's what I was looking at. See if we can hold that trade for a minute. I'm trying to get my. Looks like they're trying to sell. Looks like they're trying to sell it, doesn't it? Go.
Yeah, I just need a pullback somewhere. Come on up. Oh, retrace up. Let's go. Give me something. Back up to the pivot on NQ, maybe. Fail that.
Lower tick chart entry, maybe. Smaller tick chart entry.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Little pivot bounce here, maybe. The GC bought out of that zone again. I think if it breaks below the zone again, that GC is gone. Like I said, I saw the RTY long setting up, but I can't stomach that. I don't want to take a breakout trade on GC, but it's there. It is there. It's coming right now. Like now.
On which one? RTY?
GC.
Oh, GC.
Below that zone I made yesterday. That's a strong level. If it gets below there and stays there, that's a big sell on GC. Big time sell. Yeah, because everything sold from there before. Remember I made that yesterday? Or no, was it the...
Yeah,
I made that yesterday and was looking at it and I was like, man, I really, really, really want to buy the pullback into this. Because we talked about this one right here, this long, and I was like, well, this is a good area to buy from. It just didn't set up properly for me to want to take that long.
or the NQ.
You had the pivot bounce short again.
The pivot. You said it.
Yeah, I didn't take it though. I should have done it on this account. I'll wait for a rally. I can be patient. I can be patient. I can be patient.
This thing go.
So
Could come all the way back down to.
Let's just make a plan real quick.
Mm-hmm.
So we wanna rally obviously on the ES, and I got a strong level here on the ES as well. So we'd like any kind of rally, I think, to sell at ES and NQ. RTY probably the same thing. So all three across the board on the top. Right?
I totally agree with that.
I think we could look at the 6E down here where it's at for a possible buy signal. This is definitely a good area. Anywhere down here is a good area from on the daily for 6E to buy. So let's keep our eyes open for the buy signal there. I'd like to see it. I mean, again, if it breaks out here above this midpoint on gold, that's a buy. That's a pucker up and bite your tongue buy, but it's still there. It's still a buy. CL, I'd like to see the short come out of here. Maybe we try a short on the CL out of here. I mean, it's a pretty low risk one right there, but that's about all I see. Anything else? What else you got?
I don't have anything. I mean, everything you said, I agree with. I don't. I'm looking around right now.
I mean, those are the things we should probably be looking for.
Let's see these indices get a little. Let them come back up a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, overbought. Let this NQ get a little overbought, I guess. And lower tick chart, maybe again, maybe the sell stop here on the CL. It ran You know, it actually might not be a bad. This might not be a bad area up here to look for a sell in CL.
A little higher. I don't know, but you look like you might be getting it though. God, look at this thing just go.
I don't. Well, if it breaks out of here on the downside, definitely have room to run. Definitely have room to run if it breaks out of here on the downside. There shouldn't be really anything holding it up at that point. So yeah, a nice little rally. To short.
That's what I'm waiting for. What we need at this point, I mean.
I mean, there's a bigger tick chart buy signal on RTY, ES, and NQ setting up. And again, this gold's trying to set up for that big long. CL was a short right there, though. That was a short. It should have been in that one. Or CL might give me a second chance on that. Nope. Gonna go. The 6E is the miss on my part this morning. I wanted to be in that one. Pretty bad on that one. Alright, you're getting overbought on the lower tick chart on the ES and NQ.
I like to see a clean setup on the bigger chart, but
Doesn't look like you're gonna get it.
I don't know.
That's a silly. You'll try to give your money away on this market.
Why? What's RTY doing?
These smaller, I mean, you got still have a sell stop on the ES if you wanted to look at the short. The low, we got 88. Yeah, 90.5. I'm sorry. Yeah, 88. or here, we just wait for this. Get overbought here on the bigger tick chart. do what we say we should do. Take the right trade here on the overbought bigger tick chart. And then I'll end up taking the same trade on the NQ at the market once the ES trade forms. How about that? Let's do
I
that.
like that idea.
Let's do that. I'll do. See if we get a CL long here too. So I mean that's a GC long, that's for sure. But again, 6C. I am looking for a long on 6C, by the way. You know that, right? Short.
You're long on 6E?
No, I'm looking for the long on 6E.
Oh, I'd say you're long on 6E now? Wow.
And then I'm going to look for the short on the ES here.
Okay.
And I'm going to do exactly what we said we were going to do. Okay. Well, maybe I'll slow down here in a second. It's going to try to go up and give a pivot. That'd be nice. I'd be completely okay with that. Completely okay with it. Okay, get a wick here. Let's see if this candle stays here. That's going to be a trick to pull them off. This new candle here. So now below this wick here, that's a low of 92.75. This guy can push up and give me a wick here. I think we got a decent signal here. What was that low again? 92.50. $92.50. If this turns around now, I mean that's a short. I'm gonna do $92.50. Sell stop. You got 150 ticks left.
You may not get that.
You got the new candle. Well, I mean, but if it doesn't fill, who cares, right? If this turns around and takes off to the south side now, cool, done. They just ran it down. I think that was just a stop run for retail. Get all retail thinking short or taking stops on retail, one or the other or both.
Definitely looking for some longs maybe at this point here, right?
Well, I'm gonna do what the big tick chart says.
Yeah.
That was probably just a stop run, to be honest with you. It was nothing more than a news event that turned into, look, so you didn't even have anything. Yeah, stop run. That's it. Just a stop run. Should have been looking out for that thing. Just being cautious here. I'm trying not to screw up my good morning. Do I think we can get another good short? Probably. I didn't expect there to be any action when we went on break. That's why I wasn't that worried about it. However, had I been sitting here, probably couldn't have traded that, but definitely probably could have traded that on the short side on the right after 10. So here's the short setting up now. It passed by on the NQ there.
There's a short. Yes. Oh, it's just hard to take that short, but It's a short,
Well,
but not on that small chart.
no. On a bigger chart, it says it's short.
I can't take this short. This is. Big tick chart says it's short, but oof.
Oh, big tick chart was right. Yeah, big tick chart
it
was
is.
right. I told you next trading big.
The big tick charts don't lie, do they?
I know. I did it on a different account on the smaller tick chart, and big tick charts do not lie.
I like big tick charts, and I cannot lie.
I think. I still think people are crazy if you want to trade this.
I mean, I'm so freaking green this morning. I'm not. I mean, I'll trade it. Well, I mean, I got more accounts to trade, I guess. But I'm in no rush to push the button. I honestly don't care if we take another trade.
Mm-mm.
Big tick chart did not lie. It definitely was a short.
Sure don't. It sure don't. Here RTY is looking like a short setup too. And the 6E is giving a long setup.
Yeah.
From the area I wanted it to be from. Yeah, I think that was just a stop round, man. I think a better move here is look for the long. Most likely the better move is look for the long. That's the third CL trade I missed today. That's 1, 2 of the ones I wanted. 3. 3 CL longs. Missed. 2 good ones though. This is the two good ones. 2 really good ones. This give that a B. Looks like I should probably take a shot at this 6E here. Not a huge risk. It's a big support area. I mean, look at this cross the board. I mean, I'm trying to be objective about this, and it's
like you'd have to be.
It's pretty.
Now.
Well, I think I placed my entry a little too loose there. It's got me in now.
I missed it, but I'll see if it comes back and gets me.
Oh, I was looking to see the day. This is a good area on the daily though. Like if you spread this out on the daily, there's a lot of buys that came from here before. A lot of buys. So we'll see. That should be that's again, big tick chart says a good trade, so we'll see.
Let's see what happens.
Just do you want to take a look at the RTY short?
I'm looking at that right now. I just don't like where it's at. But it's
at a decent level.
yeah. You'd have to get in now. All right, let's try it. What the heck? I got a few ticks to burn. Maybe 650.5. Where's your entry?
Yeah, something like 50.5.
50.5.
Maybe 50.7. The low here is
0.7. Yeah.
50.9. So yeah.
I'm at 8. 50.8. I put a sell stop there. See what happens.
Seems like the safer trade today, right? This morning. Right now, it seems like a safer trade. I'm just weary that was nothing more than a stop run, no matter whether it was somebody saying something on the news or. Again, I'm just looking back at the 6E. And there was a double bottom the other day. That was a nice little run up. There's definitely action here on the 6E, so I'm pretty confident in that. I think I was a couple ticks late on my entry, but that should be a decent trade. And especially if this breaks down here again on the RTY, I think we got a decent little thing on our hands. All right, now we could possibly look at a CL short. Need to do that. Do that in a different account. I want to do it. Yeah, I just think these
Target filled where? Oh, on 6E. Okay.
Because you got the right fill price and I didn't.
Yeah. I heard target fill. It's like where? All right, 6E. Yeah, I'll take that. So let's move our. Nah, I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at. It's a small risk. I don't know.
All right, cancel RTY. Didn't fill. It didn't work right.
But it hasn't broke up yet. Or
it ticked above it.
Did it? Okay.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
the only thing I like is if it comes down there and closes below that. That's below VWAP. I don't think it's going to come back.
This candle closes up though, which is looks
like
it's going to.
In fact, I'm gonna cancel it.
Yeah, it's closing up.
Yeah, I'm canceling it.
If it doesn't close up, then obviously I want to leave the sell stop in, but no, it closed up. So I still think this is a buy. I think that was nothing more than a stop run on the indices here, and then there was a. Go get my target. Come on, 6E. You can do it. You can do it. Go get that target. Go get that target. Yeah, good little 6E. Maybe I should just take my target earlier and just get. Nah, it's gonna take it now. It's gonna take it one more tick away.
How late did you get in?
Late?
You don't got your target?
I was 2 ticks late. CL, short or no? There's a sell stop there. What's that low? That low is 6124. Let me think about that for a minute. It sure does look like it, though, doesn't it?
Yeah,
It's a
I
level.
would have wanted it a little higher, but
Well,
if it gives a good setup,
it's sold from here before. I mean, you almost really kind of have to use these lows. 61, 28, like a few more ticks higher. That would be the short area on the CL. That would be it. I'm gonna take this target on 6E just so I can be done with that. I'm gonna squeeze my stop up a little bit. Put me in a kind of a no lose situation there.
yeah, I'm at literally break. I'm at
Yeah, it'd be down just a
kind of
little.
break even for
It would
me.
be down just. It'd be a small loss if it went back now, but I don't know if it will. And then we target the pivot at least, I would think, or just below it.
Yeah.
And we go back to the sell side of things on the indices. Maybe the RTY short was the way to go.
Yeah, I told you if it breaks, you can still take it.
Below there. Yeah, that's not a bad deal.
I'm gonna try it.
I'm a little committed to the CL short right here, if it works.
I'm trying it.
Here goes the restroom. I'll be back. I'm gonna run to the restroom real quick.
All right.
That's that low.
Come on, RTY, break.
It's probably gonna do it. I'll be back.
Nope. Close back above his VWAP, I'll kill it. I'm about to be flat on 6E. And I think I'm going to kill this RTY. No, maybe not. Oh, 6E didn't take me flat. I thought it would.
I'm gonna take a
RTY is
break and eat
trying.
something here in a little bit.
Yeah, RTY's trying.
Trying to make that short.
I almost killed it when it went back above the VWAP there. I said I might kill this, but I didn't. 6E came down, didn't take my target, didn't take my stop, so I'm
It's a
still
good
in it.
little 6E. It does its job. It's a nice little 6E.
Come on, RTY, break this right here.
Looks like you got it. I didn't get in.
I don't know. It's not super exciting. I won't give it much more if it doesn't.
Give me a GC. I think I need to take a break because I missed a couple trades earlier this morning. Or after our morning fiesta, our morning fun. I'm kicking myself over missing this CL long.
There she goes. Come on.
And
trying to break this.
The short.
There it goes.
The short.
Another winner chicken dinner.
Oh, that's good. I mean, the big tick chart said to trade it. I should have gotten in. I should have gotten in that trade with you. That was silly. Now I could think I still can keep my CL short on here. Look at this. Let's see.
Look at this old 6E go, and I was against it. Look at it paying me.
Yeah, don't poo-poo 6E, man.
I tell you what, after this, when these two trades are done, I got to take a break because too many wins. I'm about to give one back, I'm sure, at some point.
Nurse Paul duty's call too, right?
Nah, not yet. He's in court today.
I gotta eat something.
He's so funny. He goes to court with that big old bandage on his head.
That's awesome.
The judge is like, "What happened to you?" He says, "You see the other guy."
You should see the other guy.
Come on, 6E go. I am flat on the RTY. I'm out. Took my profit now.
All right. Well,
let's 6E is all I got left, but 6E could be here forever. So
let's do the old lunch breaky, wiki lunch breaky thing. I've got to eat. I'm starving.
It's a little early for me on the food, but I mean I can make a protein shake or something.
I'm gonna bring my stop up to like exactly break even and leave it there and let it do whatever it wants to do the rest of the afternoon. Rest of the day
I'm break even +1 and I move my target up to. Let it go. See what happens.
Yeah. That's a. So we just do. I think I'm gonna kill the stream.
All right, real quick before you get off, what's your small tick on RTY? What are you using?
292.
292. Okay.
It works pretty well.
And what about on 6E?
Same as ES, 699. No, I'm sorry. I'm using 133. Jeez, what's wrong with me? So 133.
I was going to say that don't make any sense. Okay, 133.
It went bigger than the same tick chart.
And then CL, what are you using on CL?
CL is 133 as well. 133.
And then GC, you're using.
I'm using 133 on GC as well. Probably should use 292, but
I'll say 292, right? All right, 133.
I'm
just going to change mine to yours. I want to match your charts.
So. 292. I think either 292 or 130. I mean, 290. They're both fine. GC. I switched GC 292. It looks fine.
I've been using 292 on GC. So.
All right. Well, there's that. So let's. I'm gonna kill the stream. Go to lunch break. Let's go back to. I don't know how to do. I'm trying to figure out like.
What time is it? Can I eat? Is it too early?
Time for you to eat. Can you? What are you saying? Can I? Oh, you're fasting.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a little fasting today. A little early still.
Good. I don't know how to do. I'm trying to figure out like.
What time is it? Can I eat? Is it too early?
Time for you to eat. Can you? What are you saying? Can I? Oh, you're fasting. Oh
yeah,
gosh.
I'm trying to get a little fasting today. A little early still.
Turn that off. Oh, that's better. That's better delay, I guess.
Yeah, I haven't checked it, but you know what?
I put it down too.
Let me do this. 3, 2, 1.
You not say anything after 3, 2, 1?
No.
No. Oh, you said 3, 2, 1 on the mic.
Yeah. Why is it not saying anything?
I don't know. Are you muted?
Doesn't say I'm muted anywhere. Did you hear my 3, 2, 1 already?
I don't have it. I have it muted.
Yeah.
Okay, test.
Why is it not saying anything?
I don't know. Are you muted?
Doesn't say I'm muted anywhere. Did you hear my 3, 2, 1 already?
I don't have it. I have it muted.
Yeah.
Okay, test. It was about 25 seconds there.
Saying anything?
I don't know. That was about 25 seconds on that one. Oh no! CL, you're supposed to go down from there. What is going on with you? I can't deal with this. It's gonna hurt. It's painful. It's so painful. 6E flat. I'll let this go. Yeah, I gotta kill this. I'm gonna kill the stream, and we'll come back after a while for the stream. Be back later. I don't know. Maybe we'll just check your notifications if you're on YouTube.
A little long, but that's fine.
Check your notifications if you're on YouTube, and we'll be back later.